Hi family, welcome to the channel once again. Thanks for being there and being active for all these years in my absence, guys. So we are going to review a video I saw on YouTube. Get paid $1.80 every minute watching YouTube videos. Family, I've tried it, I have tested it, and this is my review. And before that, family, let's check this out. Now, the creator is saying that you are going to be paid $1.80 per minute. So 1.80 times, let's see how much the creator is saying you can make in a day, times 24. So you are going to make $43.20. That is in one day by watching YouTube videos. So family, without wasting time, let's look at the website, and I also show you my dashboard, how much I've made so far, and it will really amaze you. Why am I making this video? So that there's a need for you to know how much I've made, so that you wouldn't either waste your time the way I have, for you to know if it is either profitable or just a sham. So let us look at my dashboard quickly. So the website is called self.be. So you can see right here, there's an advertised through our platform, but this is where the whole thing is. That is making money on tax. So when you click that side, they are going to give you so many information on how to make money. It says that to make money online without investing. Family, personally, I have issue with these things. This is a way of making money. I don't really buy it, but that is my personal opinion. So let's look at it further. Now, when you look at the site, family, you can see try and earn your first money today. Withdraw available from up to even as low as 3 cents. So this is the website, family. Now let me sign in and show you my dashboard. So family, this is my dashboard, as you can see right here, but it is zero because I've switched to the advertiser's account. Let me go to user, and this is the amount I've made, guys. This is the amount I've made, right? This is my income. And family, I've been on this very platform for almost a week. So I've been watching ads, right, for almost 7 days. And this is the amount I've gotten, right? So let's see how you can start making money. So when you sign up, as usual, you'll be asked to fill a form, and from there you have to confirm the email. Then after you've signed in, you are asked to install an extension, either Google extension, Yandex, Firefox, or Opera. But personally, guys, I have an issue with extensions because you cannot confirm the integrity of the extension, and you cannot tell the data that it will cipher from your PC. So me personally, trying to install extension is an issue to me because of security purposes. So you have to click here and install the Google Chrome extension. I've only done that one on my other PC just for the trial purposes. And family, after everything, ads will be showing here and there. So let me show you example. So here you are asked to start with something. You can watch these videos, and they are saying that if you watch this video for 20 seconds, they're going to add this to the money that you already have. So let me show you a trial here, guys. So let me show you. Okay, I think this one, let me see. This one is paying more. So click. So we are going to watch the advert for 50 seconds, and let's see how much will be added to this already. So this is a daily income, total income. So let us make the addition. Let me copy this one. Let me copy rather all this. right? Maybe put it inside the calculator app, family. Let me paste it right there. Hopefully if it will work or not. No. Okay, let me put it here, or we can just remember our initial, and then let us watch the video quickly so that you just have the fair idea of how these things work. Okay, this one starts. So when you click on it, you have to wait and watch the video throughout for 50 whole seconds. So as we wait, now you can see that the countdown is still at 50 seconds. So when I click on the play, now that is where, let me reduce it a little. So that is where you can see the countdown moving. So let's see. So this is how it works. You have to watch the YouTube video for a while. Then I think this is just a short. So let's see what will happen, family. So as you wait and the countdown ends, then they will add that money to your daily income. So 12 seconds more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Then they will say you've earned this amount. So family, you can see they've added this to it. Now we are going to confirm at the website. So if you are done, you just close it, and you can just close the tab, and you can check right here. So let me refresh on the page and see if there will be a change. So guys, you can see here there's a change right there, and let me check on the calculator. Okay, let me add this to it. You can see that, family, it is true, there's an increment to the whole thing. So this is how it is. But family, before you can even get $1, family, it takes really time to make money from the site. The site, they really pay, yes, but you cannot become rich from this website. This is some of the hard truths to some of you, but you can not make a huge handful of money from the site. It is very, very key that we understand this. And lastly, let's check the site on the review, that is Trustpilot. So I love this site because they will help us judge this website. You can see the 5-star just 8%, but the 1-star is 34%. This shows that many people are not so happy about the site. So safe.b is a legit platform, passive income online, but the earning is very low, as I already mentioned to you guys. So you see, within 4 weeks I earned 23 cents, as I showed you on my very page, guys. The whole week, family, I've not even reached even $1. So when will I even get $1, family? So it is the payout is very poor. And I think when you go through this review, they are all saying the same thing. It says that allow you to earn a few cents without referrals. And family, this is my honest review about this very website. You cannot become rich in a day from this very site, guys. So if you love this content, drop us a like, subscribe, so that I can post more content like this. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. God richly bless you. Bye bye.